run to a dough bleed just by the flip of the switch. The tube is made of rubber. It's not plastic, so it's super quiet. And this is the most realistic sounding butt call you will find on the market. There's all kinds of cool ones he's made. This one is made of pine cone, real pine cone, in resin. He does ones made with resin, and then he does ones that are made out of different woods as well. This is a Coca-Cola wood tube here, so go over to nor'eastergamecalls.com, get you one of these deer grunts. There's nothing better sounding on the market, and it's all made right in Maine by Mark himself. He does everything in his shop, one at a time by him. Custom made, made in Maine. Check it out.
Okay, so we're walking up on the field blind, find Ben. Just fired at a doe a few minutes ago. Sounded like a good hit. I think he's got it down. He's got a new house and a new freezer he wants to fill, so got his doe tag and wanted to give me the opportunity to fill it. So we're gonna go see what he's got. Find anything? Right there. Oh, is she? Where are you at?
Oh, she's a little more that way. I don't know if it blew off the backside of her or what.
What'd you find there?
Hair.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's see if we can pick up a trail. We got hair, but we don't have any blood. Said she just took one jump, you thought.
Went that way. No, it did. I know I hit it.
It sounded like it had the thump.
Not again.
No blood at all. I just...
Fairly certain it jumped into here. I saw it jump into weeds. I didn't see it cut back, but logically you see that trail.
Wow, it's a pretty heavy trail. I'm looking for.
It doesn't really look like they're going through any of the other stuff.
Keep your eyes up on the trees too, just in case it's coming out high. I haven't seen any yet.
Hard to believe. It was first shot. I don't know why there wouldn't be any blood.
Yeah, I don't know, unless it got low. She was broadside, you said?
Perfectly broadside.
Yeah. She was a young doe, you said?
She was decent doe. She wasn't a baby.
30 year. Probably that one we saw this morning. You said there were 4 of them, so those are probably the ones that went by me.
Yeah. Of course, she was a bigger one after.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that looks pretty.
All right.
Oh, there we go. All right. That's a little better.
All right.
Okay.
That's a confidence boost.
Wow. You hit it right there.
I knew I hit her.
Maybe a hair low, but geez, right in the vitals.
No drop of blood.
No blood. Crazy.
All right.
All right. Guess we could get her out of there. Get a couple pictures before you cut her up and do something. All right. Good. Good deal. There, after that worry, we found her. That's good. That'll help fill that new freezer up. That's good.
I need it.
All right, we're here with Ben after his misfortune last week. Tagged out tonight with a doe.
Thanks for putting that on the internet.
Ben, talk about your hunt tonight.
Shot a deer. Come out at the end of the field. I got some videos of it in the scope actually, so
Perfect.
you'll see that attached. And little button buck come out. I watched him for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then a small lamb come out. They played together for a little while. This one come out after that, probably about 5-6 minutes. She watched her for a little bit, and she turned just broadside. I fired, and she jumped into the woods, and then a bigger deer right behind her that was behind a tree jumped into the woods. So found where I shot her, found some hair, followed the deer trail back in the woods about 40 yards, and she was laying right there.
Perfect. Congrats, Ben. Hopefully the rest of us can tag out. Dave, did you see anything tonight?
Nope.
No deer.
No deer.
I didn't see anything either. Seth, did you see anything?
No deer.
No deer. Stanley, he already tagged out last week, but he's still looking for a buck.
5.
Five
One
doe.
doe, 4 lambs.
No horns. All right.
No
Thank you guys for watching. That's a wrap for this episode of In the Blind. Thank you all for watching again. Congrats to Greg and RJ on filling a couple tags. I believe RJ got a doe, and then about a week later, 2 weeks later, Greg shot a buck, and then he filled his doe tag the day after he got his buck. So congrats to those two. They're going to be headed back to Massachusetts with a full freezer. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I have hats available still. Fresh orange ones, fresh off the press. Got a couple of those left. Also have some grays left as well. They are the Richardson 112 style snapback hats. So comment on this video, shoot me a message on my Facebook if you would like a hat. They are $25 a piece. And yeah, hopefully we can start getting into some bucks soon as it gets later into the season. Congrats to Stanley and Ben on filling their doe tags the last couple weeks. And hopefully the next video I do are of some bucks getting killed. Thank you for watching In the Blind.